Hello and welcome to our video for this 2016 66 registered Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle 9-seat RS edition. As you can see, it's got a full RS styling kit, front rear spoilers, sidebars, gloss blacked internal grills, red detailing to the lower grille. This one has front and rear parking sensors. Only done 25,000 miles. Really good order. Just the odd little stone chip on the bonnet we've touched in. Lovely finish to the deep black pearl paintwork. Has been lowered 35mm. There's brand new RS6 style gloss black alloys, brand new tyres on also. This one's been uprated to 160 horsepower. Really makes a difference in the torque, the overall drive of the vehicle. Inside, got our Bespoke RS premium leather interior, red stitching. This one's got a lot of factory options. So as well as the front and rear park sensors, this one also has the Discover Media navigation system with the App Connect feature. It's quite an expensive option, that. It is a 5-speed model, say remapped to 160 horsepower, so very, very drivable. As you'll notice, we privacy tinted all of the rear windows. A real sort of stealth look to it. So, I'll just flick the lights on so you can see better on the video here. Bear with me a second. So you can see the RS leather carrying on through. 3 individual seats in the second row, all can be moved independently of each other, so it's quite a flexible arrangement. Moving into the rear, although the light's not so good in there, we've got a triple bench seat. Adjustable rear heating for the rear occupants, controlled by this panel just here, and you've also got individual reading lights if driving at night. You'll also notice we've put the blind up on the side here. So it's got blinds on all 4 of the rear windows. So moving back outside. It's in lovely condition. Black being black, there will be some tiny marks somewhere that will no doubt show up on really microscopic inspection, as it has done 25,000 miles, but there's nothing that's jumping out at me as I'm walking around the vehicle. You can see it's got a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. The great thing about these long wheelbase ones is the amount of space you get in the rear. So although the light's not great there, folks, you have got absolutely masses of room. Easily get 9 people's luggage in there if required. Moving down this side, same as the driver's side. Really nice condition. Show you the side profile of the vehicle. You can see how it stands. Got the roof rails there. Looks absolutely fantastic. Moving inside. Mileage today of 25,620. It's had its first service. Still got warranty until late 2019. There's another look at the RS interior there. It really does finish it off nicely. That's it, folks. Very high spec 9-seater shuttle. Lots of nice styling goodies as well. You'll see 20 plus photos on our website along with a full description. If you'd like to discuss this vehicle or arrange an appointment to view, then please do call me on the number on the advert. Thank you for looking.